Rachel, what did I tell you about this? Lost a follower. Ah, we just lost a subscriber. Can I ask you something? I'm starting to wonder if there's no correlation between a large subscriber count and actual talent.
Oh yeah, you said follower counts don't matter.
No, the other thing. Rach, no party supplies in bed before 9 a.m.
Sorry.
Wait. In all seriousness, everyone, we just want to thank you so much for helping us reach 1 million subscribers so that we can now retire the channel.
Before we get canceled.
Just kidding. In all seriousness, everyone, we do want to thank you so much for subscribing to our channel and watching along through the years.
Yeah, thanks for all of the likes and subscribes and nice comments and notification bells. We partnered up with some of our favorite brands to offer you guys a huge giveaway.
Let's see what we got. First up, Policy Buff sent us this DigiBee 800 flash unit. If you don't know Policy Buff, they make really high quality lights.
Yeah, your favorite photographer probably shoots with them.
We have a Policy Buff light. Rachel's first light she ever bought was Policy Buff. Really high quality and really affordable, so we're excited to give this away to someone.
Let's actually just keep that one.
Yeah, I kind of want to. I'll just cut this part out.
Okay, let's see what else we've got.
Oh, that's a big box. Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. It's a year-long Squarespace subscription.
That's tight. And if you don't win the Squarespace subscription, you can always get 10% off by going to squarespace.com/mangostreet.
Crazy.
Okay, let's see what this lucky person's gonna get. Oh,
That's our dishwashing detergent.
that goes downstairs.
That's for us. Here's a big old bad boy.
Canon Canada was nice enough to send us an EOS RP to give away to one lucky winner. Gotta love the mirrorless.
Thanks, Canon.
You guys get the lens too. Well, someone's gonna get the lens,
Yeah,
the whole kit.
not 1 million people, that's for sure.
You're gonna get the EOS RP 24 to 105 millimeter, so you'll be in business.
Oh, we wanted to give some more stuff away too.
Yeah, 3 preset collections to 3 different people, so you can pick any preset collection from ours that you want.
And we're gonna give away any of the merch that's currently available in our merch store to 3 more winners.
That's like, what, 9 prizes? I can't even count that.
Look at this, look at this. That could be you wearing that.
You could look this good if you win. So make sure you click the link in the description to enter the giveaway. Make sure you're subscribed and all that stuff, and then you can possibly win a freaking Canon camera.
Okay, so we're giving away 9 different things to 9 different people, and you could be one of them. Just click the link in our description, and may the odds be ever in your favor.
Thanks again to everyone who's followed along with us over the years. We really appreciate it.
We'll see you next week for a real tutorial.
That's right. Yeah, then you have to say your line.
What was it?
I don't know.
Cold shower, now you're a hot mess.
All right. I'm not going to include that.
Was that a good one?
No, it was terrible.
Okay.
Can you do it one more time? My eyes were closed.
No, I think we should use that one. To show our appreciation, we've got something big for you.
That's what she said. So we partnered up with some of our...
Huge giveaway. I think that was it.
No way.
It's a year-long Squarespace subscription. It's a year-long Squarespace subscription. That's a hard thing to say.
I think I'm going to have to say
subscription. Squarespace subscription. Squarespace subscription. Squarespace subscription.
Oh my gosh.
That's sort of it.
After 3.5 years of doing this, you think we'd be better at it?
Yeah.